So, hello friends, again we are taken the problem CSI NAT June 16th set A question number 41 Hindi mediums. Y1 and I2 be two solution of the problems that is given where relations Rashkian Y1 and Y2. Then something what is the which relation are correct. So first is write down and related this topic of Rashkian. Rashkian is every time ask the questions. So first given difference equations is given. Suppose y dash t plus a y dash t plus b y t equal to 0. So what is the Rashkian and something that is a y not equal to 0 already is given. Rashkian when y1 t and yt t be two solutions. Not given dependent on dependent something, but is with two solutions are given. So Rashkian is never when is 0, otherwise identically 0. So that case is here. So what is the Rashkian? Wt is general like y1, y2, y1 dash and y2 dash. That is a general form. But here that case is given that format. So now we write down the Abel theorems. Abel's theorem. Abel's theorem says is a dy by dx, sorry, d2 by dx square plus p dy by dx plus q bar equal to 0. So that case Rashkian is equal to here c e raised to Rashkian w is equal to c e raised to integration of minus p dx. That is here. So that is the Rashkian again. So up next go to the problems here. So given is here y dash t double dash t plus a y dash t plus b equal to 0. by. So that case what is the here p is a, q is equal to b and something. So now wt is equal to c e raised to c e raised to minus integration of p means of a or is function dependent a dt. So wt is equal to c e raised to minus at. Simplifications. Next, given the boundary conditions here, so that is again supposed to, but here do not find out this here because y of 0 equal to 0 given है. So next go to general methods because that methods do not any conclusion is find out here. So here if y1 and y2 be two solution of given differential equations, so check out y1 y2 are linearly dependent or linearly independent. So your checkouts. So suppose y of t is equal to c1 y1 t plus c2 y2 t. That is general solution, which is solution. So y of t is here. So suppose y of 0 is 0. So put here 0 is equal to c1 y1 0 plus c2 y2 0. So c1 y1 0 upon y2 0 equal to that is here minus c2 upon c1. Otherwise y1 0 is equal to minus c2 upon c1 is equal to y2 of 0. Suppose that case is another constant y1 0 is equal to c y2 0. So it means that is clear कि which is linearly dependent, it means that is clear y1t and y2t linearly dependent. So the when which is the linearly dependent, so which is linearly dependent, it means Raskian is equal to 0. That is, the vector is given, solution is linearly dependent, that's why Raskian is 0. So Wt is 0 is a very simple method. So here that is Raskian, so the first option is correct. मैंने both methods check out here generally, मैं एग्जाम में मैं तो डायरेक्टली चेक कर सकते हैं, बट इज हियर मैंने सिर्फ आपको एक जनरल मेथड प्रोवाइड किया इज हियर दैट दोज मेथड्स नॉट पॉसिबल. सो चेक आउट नेक्स्ट, गो टू द फंक्शन linearly dependent or dependent and evaluates. Thank you. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक्स एंड शेयर करें, जिससे मैं, अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो मैं जो भी वीडियो अपलोड करूंगा आपको डायरेक्टली आपके मेल के थ्रू होगा. अपडेट रहें. Please take care. Bye bye.